Hi, my name's Kieran Feldman, and today I'll be talking to you about how I did all of my tasks for this module. Um, for starters, I had to create a YouTube channel, which I'll be uploading this video to, and I've already made 3 videos here. Um, this one is my first ever vlog, and this is how I created a business page, and I used this app to create this video. And then this video I talked about my integrated assignment. Also on my blog page, I created a tasks page where I posted all my tasks, which I haven't completed yet, but I have a few tasks to show. Uh, Task one, I had to create this website that I'm on. Um, Another one I can show is task two, when I Googled myself and I had to find out all different types of things. So as you can see, created, I've found out all these different things about myself, like when I was a movie extra when I was younger, and this is a photo of me on my horse when I was champion at a show and I was in the Irish field. Um, Here I can show when I had to create each of my different Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube accounts. Um, Task four is I had to create a Twitter business page. Task 5, I had to create a business LinkedIn account. These are kind of all of the main things that I've done so far on my blog posts. And then I talked about different things in this is my homepage.